On today's episode of Signature Series Rigs, Bleu is going to get quite a makeover. I've got wheels and tires going on, a leveling kit, and a few other things, so stick around. Do a little in here. All right, we got a jack stand and two jacks under this thing. We're gonna throw on this rough country leveling kit. Here we go. Might get your help over here. Sometimes you can make a shortcut, sometimes you can't. I've been able to do this before without loosening those top bolts, but this one's proven to be difficult, so we're going to do it the right way. This stuff?
Yeah, it's so hard to get in around the little nooks and crannies. I was just getting ready to say, that thing moved a whole lot, like a ball drum was bad or something. I didn't know. Hey, you're not supposed to do that.
Not overdoing it, just covering up the spots that don't have any paint on them. Change a few of those in my time. Now we're going to install the Z71 four-wheel drive decals. I have a little tiny mark right there and right there that'll help me line it up to where the stickers go and where they work. So let's see how good this goes. like to push down on this as I'm pulling it off and kind of pull it back, and not pulling it up, just pulling it straight back so that it resists lifting. Sometimes I'll even use a heat gun just to help dry it out quicker. Nothing a day in the warm sun won't cure. There you have it. On to the next side. Now we got Z71 suspension, wheels, and tires. I think she's good to go. Kidding, of course.
You know, sometimes I definitely question why I almost walked away from this truck, because I am starting to like it more and more every time. What do you guys think? I'd say it turned out pretty well. We got the rough country leveling kit installed, Goodyear Wrangler Duratrax on some GM Z71 18-inch wheels. We also removed those Papal style mud flaps. I've never been a fan of those. Plus, while we were at it, we reinstalled the Z71 decals on the bedside now that the body shop has finished their part of the project. But we still have a few things left for Blue. Stay tuned for that. I'm not sure about the Nerf bars / side steps. I'd be happy to hear some comments on what you guys think. The truck does not sit very high, so it's not necessarily needed, but they don't look that bad. Now, the truck does need a bath, so mind that. That's a whole nother episode. But again, I'm really liking this truck. The story is quite unique, but I really enjoyed driving it. I've really enjoyed reviving it. Again, we've got a few more things on the list for it, so stick around to see what we do. But Blue's revival is almost complete. Thanks for watching Signature Series Rigs.